What mystrategy.me is not. It's important to be clear on this. 1. A course. Don't think, oh, I'll sign up to this course and complete it as quickly as possible. That's not what this is. This is an onward-rolling system, if that makes it any clearer. Achieve something, maybe take a break, start something else using all the information you've stored in here. The word strategy is in the name, and strategy is not a short-term thing, as you know. Membership here means an ongoing project, and that project is you. Number 2, actual coaching. This system covers a huge range of general themes that people tend to want to, or need to, discuss during coaching, and allows a strategy to be built and monitored around this. Video and sound files will guide you, but there is no conversation with another person in this system. You are simply having an ongoing conversation with yourself based on the information you will input and the decisions you will land upon. It is a living information storeroom and activity planner just for you. Number 3, a replacement for coaching or any other talk-based therapy. This system does not replace necessary discussion with a professional. It does, however, provide a valuable opportunity for introspection in advance, providing assistance in laying out thoughts, ideas and plans to anyone who struggles with such structure. This constitutes a hugely beneficial lead-in to any such professional conversation, allowing you to explore and narrow down a bubbling brainful of thoughts to the point where you can seek help on a specific area requiring live human support. Resilience, communication, responsibility, action taking, wherever you find yourself getting stuck despite a desire for progress. Alternatively, if you're already in the habit of talking to someone, mystrategy.me provides valuable administrative support for headline conclusions and actions resulting from that. Number 4, if you're not a talker and are never going to go down that path, mystrategy.me could be a great substitute, as long as you are relatively strong and stable and don't have a tendency to beat yourself up if nobody is there to stop you. Likewise, if your disposable income is never really going to let you pay freely for conversations that constitute supervised thinking, start your broadest thinking here. Number 5, a community. This system is designed to avoid noise. Your life is your life. Nobody else can live it for you or should tell you how to live it. By all means, refer to blogs, podcasts, books, etc. to help you think about the questions in mystrategy.me. But please do not drown yourself in external information. Use 3 resources if you think you need to kickstart your thinking on a particular issue, then put down the materials and engage your own brain. Become the content. What feels right to you, for you. Number 6, a source of endless information and contact. Everything about being alive and living a decent, satisfying life has been said before. Unique thoughts are rare. Socrates, Plato and all of those pretty much covered it all, so there isn't really a huge amount left to say, and I won't be pushing unnecessary content into any user's path. Be wary of consuming too much content of any kind on any topic. Time and your own brain are already a wonderful combination. You're an adult functioning in the real world. You have the ability to think and decide. Don't let the bursting bookshelves, real or virtual, make you think that you don't. As coaches, we credit you as being creative, resourceful, and whole. Take that compliment and run with it.